So I've been getting a lot of comments from viewers asking how I create my avatar, how I created the character, and how I animate it. Now, I know there are already plenty of videos on YouTube covering avatar creation, and honestly, I wasn't planning to make another one. But after seeing how many of you kept asking, I figured it made sense to break down my exact process and show you how I do it. If you've ever wanted to add a character to your channel or build something similar, this is a process you can follow step by step. Oh, and this isn't a sponsored video, so every tool I'll be using is one that I personally use for mine. The workflow typically looks like this. You generate the image first, then you create the voiceover, and finally animate the character. Let's start with the image. This part requires a good prompt, so let's use the same one that I use. It'll be available in the video description. Just try changing a few things to make yours unique. This image is what you'll be using to brand your channel as well as for your storytelling. So spend some time on this stage to make sure you get it just right. You can use a tool like Whisk to generate the image. The style depends on your preference. For example, my previous character was more 3D, but this new one leans towards a realistic vibe. So you can go with any style that fits your channel. Just paste your prompt into the input field. Make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9, remove any reference characters. Once everything looks right, go ahead and generate the image. Now this is where things get interesting. Whisk will give you a good image. But from my experience though, it's not going to be as realistic as something from Nano Banana Pro. This image actually looks pretty good, but it's not fully realistic. There's a bit of smoothness on the face, a slight shine to the skin, and some details are missing. So while it looks good, it doesn't quite feel real. But if you're okay with that, you can absolutely move forward with it, because this character is going to represent your entire channel, and you'll be using it over and over. I recommend you go with Nano Banana Pro. That's the one I use. It produces some of the most realistic images I've seen, and the difference is noticeable. You can access it from Gemini for free, but it has a major limitation. The character looks more realistic, but the downside is that you end up with a square aspect ratio image. Let me show you a way to fix that. Make sure you've downloaded the image and then open a tool like Canva. Create a 2560 by 1440 document and import your image. Alternatively, you can actually upscale the image with your favorite image upscaler before importing it inside Canva. Scale the character till it fits exactly how you want it before finally exporting. You can use Photopea for this same process as well. This works, but you can skip the long process by using something like Higgsfield. Go to Images, select Nano Banana Pro, and choose 16:9 aspect ratio. You can even go with a higher resolution image this way. That's exactly what I used to create my character. Obviously, Higgsfield isn't free, but it's worth it considering you'll be using this same image throughout your channel. Once you have the image, the next step is creating the voiceover. For this, you can use a tool like 11 Labs. The first thing you want to do is select a voice. In my case, I created a custom voice using the voice design feature. If you want to make your own, just click the plus icon, choose voice design, and then describe the type of voice you're looking for. Once you find one you like, you can save it and reuse it anytime. Add everything you want the character to say here and then generate.
Welcome to AI Trends. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find the video helpful. And feel free to let me know where you're watching from.
The voice sounds good. It was actually the initial voice I intended to use for this channel. Now, once you're happy with the voiceover, download the audio file. For the animation part, we'll be using this tool called HeyGen. If you're not familiar with it, it's one of the most popular AI avatar generators on the market. You can create clean, professional-looking avatars with it. And just to be clear, this isn't sponsored. I'm simply showing you the process I use. They typically give users some free credits, so feel free to check it out. Make sure you've created your account and then click this button. Select Photo to Video and upload your avatar image. You can type your script over here if you want to use one of their voices, but since we're already using our own audio file, upload it and click this Add button. HeyGen only allows free users to download at 720p resolution, but paid users get access to higher quality versions. So if you plan on using your AI avatar regularly, it might make sense to upgrade. Once everything's set, click Generate and your video should be ready in about a minute. They'll even send you an email notification. Let's check out the result.
Welcome to AI Trends. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find the video helpful. And feel free to let me know where you're watching from.
As you can see, the movements are very natural. The facial expressions, head motion, body movement, and timing all feel realistic. As a plus, it even animates the background elements, like the futuristic screens, which is a really nice touch. All that's left now is to download at your preferred resolution and you're ready to use it inside your project. Now, I hope this helps you create some badass videos. Anyway, thank you and see you in the next one.